Okay, let's go. Let's start by going straight.
So beautiful strawberries. Venga, ánimo. Hola, ¿quieren algo, señores?
So don't ever buy the drinks in the entrance because they'll be the most expensive. If you go a little bit more inside, the prices become cheaper. So 3 euros become 2 euros, and if you're lucky, you can even find for 1 euro.
Wow.
But
Okay.
for the 1 euro, you'll have to search a little bit. I think here, 1.5 already have price than the entrance. Yeah, already have price.
Same.
Same thing. So €1.50, I think that's a good price for a juice.
Yes.
Which way do you want to go? Let's go that way. This market is so colorful.
It is.
And it's so beautiful.
Wow.
Dried fruit. If you like jamon, Spain is the only place in the world for jamon.
Yes.
And look at this beautiful jamon. So nice.
Also, the goat cheese is really famous here. Look at that.
So 1.95 per kilo, is that bellota?
Yep.
Bellota. Jamon bellota, 218. So you want to tell them what bellota means?
But look the difference of color.
It's amazing. It is amazing.
The bellota ham is how the pig was raised, if eating cereals or bellota.
Yeah, bellota is like, how would you explain what bellota is?
It's a nut.
It's a nut.
It's a nut.
It's a nut.
It's full of vegetable fat. Okay, and it gives the ham a very strong taste. Really, and the jamon really nice.
And if
and
the
color
pig
is-
ate it his whole life, the prices are extremely expensive, but totally worth it.
Like 106.
Look, this is 218 a kilo. 195 euros a kilo.
Yes.
Not cheap, but very good prices. 205 euros a kilo. 189 euros a kilo. 139. Hola. It is. Definitely, this is much nicer. But also Boco, 8 euros a kilo. Asado, 10 euros a kilo, 9.90. Fresh ground meat, 5.95 a kilo. Roast beef, 13.95 a kilo.
Yeah, but it's prepared already.
No, it's not prepared.
Well,
It's ready to be prepared. Yeah.
ready to eat.
Just put it in the really amazing meat.
Yum yum.
Okay. Which way? Okay, let's see some more meat. Okay, so this here is a bit more expensive. So 150 Wagyu Kobe. Oh, they have Kobe beef. Kobe beef, 130 euros a kilo. Guys, they have Kobe beef, and I trust them that this is real Kobe beef because in these places they do not cheat. And 130 euros a kilo, A bit expensive, I say, but this is Kobe beef. They have Kobe beef, unbelievable. If we had an oven in the room, if we had an Airbnb, we might have actually bought a little bit of beef trout. Ribeye, yeah, that's not a bad price actually. Not a bad price. Lo siento, ¿este Kobe es de japonés o de dónde?
Sí, este es Japón.
¿De japonés?
Sí, el Kobe este es Japón.
No. Muy bien, gracias. Yeah, it's the real one from Japan, unbelievable. If you look at videos on YouTube about Kobe beef, you'll see that Japan exports a very, very, very limited amount of that beef outside of the country, and the fact that you can find it here in the market is quite amazing.
Okay. Tapas and seafood. You can also grab a bite.
That's a huge shrimp.
It is.
A gamba, huge gamba.
Gamba.
Gamba. So here we have a few. What do we have here? Ham and chips. Ham and chips, 3 euros. Queso, cheese, 3 euros. Cheese, 3 euros. Cono de jamón, 3 euros.
Jamón ibérico.
Jamón ibérico, 5 euros.
Cono mixto. This is 5 euros.
So cheese and jamón.
Yeah. Goat cheese.
Longaniza pimienta, 5 euros, 150 grams. 5 euros, 550, 550. And mini chorizo, 550. Mini chorizos. Mini chorizos.
Yeah, definitely. If you suffer from your cholesterol, Spain is not the best place.
Well, jamón does not have bad cholesterol. Just so you know.
That's true. That's true.
So if you want to eat jamón, you can eat as much as you want. It's only going to hurt your pocket.
Here also 5 euros for
Everything,
seafood.
all 5 euros for seafood. And here it's just for 1 euro. For 1 euro. So like I said, if you go deeper inside, you'll find the juices for much cheaper, and the fruits and the vegetables and everything much cheaper. You just need to walk a little bit. Don't buy at the entrance. Empanadas, espinaca, queso, 3.5. Queso and
vegetarian,
cheese and spinach. Carne, 3.5. Jamón y queso, 3.50. Empanada pollo, chicken, 3.50.
Bombas.
Bombas, 3.50, and they're huge.
Yes.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Very good prices.
Spanakopia.
Sweets, 2 euros.
This is apple,
Spanakopia.
but I don't know. Spinach and feta cheese. Yum yum. That's Greek. And these are,
Mini Nita.
I don't know. This
Yukos.
is look. They've got the thingies.
Yeah. So maybe they'll have here our. No, they don't.
That looks like Yukos. 3 euros. That's huge. And sweets.
And sweets. 2 euros, 2 euros, euro and a half.
And these are extremely sweet.
Yeah.
Hi, Boqeuria. We'll come back.